Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So today our group will present about OSTI student survey, and our title is Students Studying in the Library and the Effect on their CGPA of each faculty. For research objective, to compare the mean consumer innovators of respondents who were male and female, to analyze and compare the distribution of CGPA between different faculty in the university to identify pattern, trend and potential effect that influence academic performance by studying in the library. The examiner examine the registration between two dependent variable, age, gender, faculty, and a dependent variable CGPA. For research hypothesis, hypothesis 1, the mean consumer innovators of respondents who were male and female. Hypothesis 2, the CGPA distribution among different faculty in the university to identify pattern, trend, and potential factor influence academic performance across discipline. Hypothesis 3, there is a significant positive effect of age, gender, faculty on CGPA.
This pie chart represents faculty of respondent. There are 9 faculties which are FSK, FBK, FPE, FSKIK, FSM, FPM, FSSKJ, FMSP, and FTV. FSK represents the highest percentage, which is 46%, while FSSKJ and FTV represents the lowest percentage with only 1%.
Next information is age. Mean for age of respondent represent 21.96. Mode and median for age of respondent represent 22. And standard deviation for age of respondent represents 1.687.
Next, the histogram. The histogram representing the library certification component. The range for the library certification component is from 2 to 5. Scale 4 of library certification component is the highest percentage with 51%, while scale 2 is the lowest percentage for the library certification component with only 3%. Next, the squareness of data. Box plots. From the pictures have been shown, the distance from SS to Q1 is 6, Q1 to Q2 is 3, Q2 to Q3 is 1, Q3 to SL is 62. Thus, the distance from Q3 to SL is larger than the distance from SS to Q1. Thus, the data set of usefulness and impact is right skewed.
For one sample test, hypothesis mean equal 3.50, hypothesis 1 mean equal 3.50. Those reject hypothesis. The CGPA of respondent is sufficient evidence that true mean of CGPA of respondent is significantly different from 3.50.
Next is application in business management. Firstly, significance of statistics in management and business. Data-based decision making. Increase accuracy. Statistics help companies make judgment using measurement data instead of gut feelings. More accurate and reliable results are produced as a result. Next, predictive understanding. Business can only correctly predict any future pattern or behavior, and as a result, create predictive policy by using statistic techniques such as regression analysis and forecasting. Secondly, use of statistics in business and management. Theoretical input. Framework development. Academics who study statistics create a theoretical framework that directs commercial activities. Next, model validation. Empirical data improve our understanding of business dynamics by confirming or perhaps challenging prevailing business theories through statistical analysis. And the third one, implication of statistics of management and business. Strategic planning. evidence-based strategies. Business use statistical evidence to build strategies that help them plan more precisely and effectively. Next, resource allocation. Guaranteeing that an investment will yield the best return on capital is probably one of the biggest tasks that can be done through statistical analysis.
From the survey conducted, we can find out the difference in student CGPA among all faculty. That is, whether they understand or not what they learn, to find out if they can really adapt to studying in library environment. This shows whether each faculty get a high CGPA after studying in the library by using the facility available in the library. We have divided them into 3 statements of students. We have stated about their perception in library satisfaction in learning in the library, perception in useful and impact in learning in the library, and perception of overall perception in learning in the library. Students are asked to express their perception using a scale of 1 to 5. The larger the number, the more agree with the given statement. Most students have a good perception of library certification. It is because most of them answer the statement given with the scale of 4, which is symbolic that they agree or satisfied with the level of library certification, usefulness and impact, and overall perception used by students.
And that's all from us. Thank you.